and Assalamualaikum. So today we want to talk about Restore Your Brain with Nature by David Strayer. TED Talk. So we live in the world now with full of screen and technology, notification and multitasking. So this will make our brain tired, right? So nature is the main point here, which is nature give our brain a rest. So things like birds singing, noise of rivers and trees, it can make our mind calm. We will calm down. So Uzma, did you have go to nature before?
Yes, when I have been going to Perhentian Island with my family, and I very enjoy it because it keep distance me from technology such as phone, because in there we doesn't have any signal internet.
Yeah, there's a point that I want to talk here. Study shows that walking in nature will improve our mind, our memory, and creativity, and also we can make our problem solving like Uzma, she didn't use any technology there, but she go there anyways, and that's why in nature we can go there and do multitasking without any technologies. That shows in nature can improve our mind, and Strayer calls it the 3 days effect, which is after a few days in nature your mind will feel sharper and stress drops. And which here he talks about when about him go to the nature. He go there within 3 days and without technologies. There's a group of people they go there in nature with technology and without technology. So it shows that their brain in without technologies or screen time, their brain is green, which means they don't feel stress or something like that. And when this research about the people go in nature but we have technology or do something with a screen, it shows that their brain become red, which means they have been tired. So here it shows technologies will make our brain tired, and to avoid that we can go in nature and spend time there without use the technologies at all. So small step will help, like if you want to focus better and feel less stress, you can spend time maybe with your family or friends like Uzma, just in nature without phone. So that's what David Strayer suggests for in his video. So I think that's it from now. So just go to the nature and spend time there. Bye.